Hi guys, today is Monday. It should be June 10th. I should be currently en route to get back to Michigan, and I will be collecting a whole bunch of your paperwork and doing some grading today, and I will see you tomorrow for your final exam on the film analysis unit. So today is our last formal lesson. We're going to do a little bit of a fun film. We are going to focus on characterization. First off, please make sure you put your V for Vendetta notes into the basket. I will be back in the afternoon, so I do want those so I can grade those. Moving forward, the opening activity is this activity that is a mentor text. You will be reading about character development. Mrs. Washak will read it aloud, and you will do some highlighting and just annotate for one last annotation day. And think about how is characterization put on the screen. Because the movie Uncle Buck I purposely picked because it's just really funny. It's got great characterization. Moving forward, today we're going to talk about how is characterization a big part of a film, especially a lot of the films that we tend to watch just to watch for enjoyment. Things like Uncle Buck. Homework, we have an exam tomorrow. You have two 30-point assignments. At the start of class, you will be doing a vocab test. You will have 15 words. Well, you'll have 20, and you pick 15 of them to define. You'll have to write a definition and either give an example of the vocab word or give the analytical reason why it's used. So, for instance, low-key lighting is low, dark lighting. It is used for suspense, and for example, there's low-key lighting on Norman Bates when he's cleaning up the murder of Marion. Next, you will have a film clip in response. You will watch a short film clip. You'll take some notes on what you notice from a cinematography perspective, and then you're going to write an analytical response. Very reminiscent to what we did for Psycho. It's just this time you are given the piece of film in class to consider. So for characterization, you will be taking notes on Uncle Buck, but they won't be the detailed notes that we've done. Instead, I'd like you to take notes about characterization specifically, but also keep thinking about the cinematography that you enjoy or have noticed from all of the other films. This is the plot. This is a John Hughes film. You know John Hughes. He does a lot of the 1980s feel-good movies, including 16 Candles, Pretty in Pink. So the plot is you have a family. They live in perfect suburbia outside of Chicago. They desperately need a babysitter. And the only person that they can call is the black sheep of the family named Uncle Buck. And the mother especially doesn't want Buck to take care of her kids, but they're stuck. They don't have anybody else. So Buck Russell is played by John Candy, a great actor. Shanice Kobolowski is Buck's girlfriend, and they're kind of facing some tension. And then you have the three kids. So Buck takes care of the three kids. Tia is the oldest. She's terrible. She's such a snob. She's like 16 or 15. Maisie and Miles are the two youngest kids, and they're pretty funny watching the interaction between them and Buck. So watch the film, and we will come back to it tomorrow after we finish the two exam portions. Good luck, and I'm excited to see you guys again tomorrow.